What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be unboxing and taking a look at Platinum Égoïste by Chanel. Uh, this is going to be an unboxing and review because I have used this fragrance before, and this is a new bottle that I've purchased. So I'll just give you my thoughts on it as we go through the unboxing. So yeah, this is the packaging. It's a very reflective box. As you can see, it says Platinum Égoïste pour homme, Chanel Paris, the concentration. Nothing on the sides as such. The Chanel logo up top. There's some barcode and some information down here. The batch code is on the box here. I'm not sure if it's very visible, but let's see. As I unbox the fragrance, perhaps I can make it more visible. ASMR, right? So yeah, this is the batch code for anyone that's interested. So this is the fragrance bottle. Nothing else in the box as such. Let's put this to the side. Not very interesting, the packaging, as you would expect from a designer, although this costs a pretty penny. So this is the bottle. Nothing on the back of it. A very reflective cap. The box gives it away. Very classy looking bottle. It says Platinum Égoïste, Chanel Paris, and the concentration. Some information in the bottom, and the badge code on the back, 9303, as you can see. Let's do the first spray. Fantastic sprayer, as you saw, as one would expect from Chanel, of course. I remember this very well. So this is a very timeless fragrance. Anyone, and I mean anyone, can pull this off, from an old man to even a teenager. This is a fougere, but not your regular fougere. Of course, it opens up with a touch of lavender. It's very green, and there's a metallic touch to the lavender, which a lot of people may or may not appreciate. So that's the only part of this fragrance which I think people may dislike. Other than that, well, if you're not a fan of barbershop fragrances, or you haven't tried barbershop fragrances, this is something you may want to try. This is borderline barbershop without being barbershop, so you can call it sort of a, it's on the threshold of barbershop, right? So you may grow a fondness of barbershop fragrances once you use this. So as it dries down, it gets smoother. The metallic tone on the lavender goes away, and that's perhaps due to the oakmoss in this fragrance. The fragrance is very clean and fresh, but it also has a woody undertone to it. One can use it at any time of the year, be it extreme cold or extreme heat. This is literally one fragrance collection if you wanna take it that way. This was made by Jacques Polge, I believe, the father of Olivier Polge, who is also the in-house perfumer of Chanel at the time. Right now, Jacques Polge was the in-house perfumer of Chanel when this was released, and for a good while after that. This would remind one of the opening of Green Irish Street. If you have smelled that fragrance, there is definitely an overlap, although it's not the same. And this is a very, very masculine fragrance. You may find it off-putting, perhaps, if you're a woman, but I mean for yourself. But it smells fantastic on a guy. It's very formal, but you can use it in casual situations as well. As I said, it's suitable for almost any situation, be it very formal or very casual. It's a very elegant fragrance. If I had to use a word to describe it, it's elegant. This was released in 1991, I believe, and I don't know, it's pretty timeless. Even to this day, it just holds to be very modern. On the skin, at least the bottle I had, it lasted for about 6.5 hours on skin. Projects for about 1.5 to 2 hours, then creates a nice scent bubble. Uh, Once it hits that 6.5 hour mark, it becomes a skin scent, so you may want to reapply. But of course, if you prefer, it can just remain a skin scent for a long time. Well, that's about it. It's a very simple bottle, very classy bottle. Oh, yeah, there's nothing in the cap as such. Yeah, there's nothing in there. Well, that's about it. Hope you like the review. Please like and subscribe. Peace out.